Come with me on a day-long trip in China Grove, Landis, and Kannapolis. In this video, we will see E39 as you're watching right now, Amtrak's, and another freight train. First up, we have Amtrak 72 heading to Charlotte. Next up, we have Amtrak 73 on its way to Charlotte. We are here at Kannapolis Station to watch this train stop as its last destination before Charlotte.
Pack it up.
Next up, this is what I think is 28R. I could be wrong. I could be right. I don't really know. But it's a freight train. Now, keep in mind, it is very windy, so, sorry. Thank you for watching. As always, see you next time. And don't forget, trains are fun. Very fun.
Clear, dude.